Hey guys, so in this video we will go through how to use ComfyUI. So it honestly feels a little bit overwhelming. It almost feels like that you walked into a science lab, but instead you see notes here, connection and boxes everywhere. So we will go through everything. We are going to ignore most of the complicated stuff. We will focus on these three things: the clips, the clip text box, boxes, prompt waiting, and the seed. So if you will understand at the end these three things, your image will improve a lot. So let's start with something important. So inside ComfyUI, we treat what we want. So we treat what uh, and what we don't want as two separate forces. So look at your KSAMPLER node, this one right here. You will see it that has two input slots, positive and negative. Uh, the top clip text node connects to positive. Think of it as your wish list. This is where you describe what you want to see in the image. For example, you can write something like that. I will paste it right over here that you can see. Now look on the bottom clip text node. This one connects to negative. This works like a filter. Anything you write there is something that AI will try to avoid. So we can do text watermark, then we can go with low quality, worst quality, bad, and so on, something like that. All of these tell the AI to push those things away from the final image. And now we can run uh, our workflow right over here at the top. And now you can see we have image right over here. Now we can adjust this, or we can try with different picture. As you can see, this one is not so perfect in details. So here is also small productivity manual. You can highlight a word in your prompt. So let's go with Goofy Retriever sitting at the poker table, and then press Ctrl and up arrow, so like that, and Comfy will automatically wrap the word and increase the weight by 0.05 each time you press it. You just don't go too high. If the weight goes above 1.5, colors can start breaking and the image can look strange. So if we go and run it again for this golden retriever, as you can see, right now it's a totally different image. Now let's talk about the seed settings. In the KSAMPLER, every image generation actually starts as random noise. Image on all TV with no signal, just static. The seed number is basically the recipe for that noise. If your seed mode is fixed, the noise stays the same. That means if your prompt and setting stays the same, you can generate the exact same image again. Now, if you switch to randomize, the noise changes every time, so even with the same prompt, you will get completely different images, as you can see. There are also two other options. You have increment, which increase seat number slightly each time, and decrement, which decrease it slightly each time. So this option helps you explore small variation of the same image. The KSAMPLER also has many other settings, but if you are just starting out, don't worry about changing everything. A simple trick is to copy the recommended settings from the where you downloaded this model. That usually gives you a good starting point. So if this video helped you out, please consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.